A 2001 study called Overweight Children: Is Parental Nutrition Knowledge a Factor? Tested over 1,000 families by giving the parents diet and health knowledge surveys and a continuing survey of food intakes to their children. They found that greater parental nutrition knowledge is associated with lower prevalence of overweight conditions among children. In the table on the right, column A shows a question from the survey given to the parents in the study. Column B shows their children's risk of being overweight if the parent answered the question from column A incorrectly. Column C shows the percentage if the parent answered correctly. As we see, the children of parents who answered incorrectly, and therefore had poor nutrition knowledge, are at greater risk of being overweight, proving that parental eating habits and knowledge are key. These habits are key for monitoring eating habits, identifying high-calorie foods, understanding long-term risks of obesity, selecting family food and diet, and serving as a model for children.